Alright, this is the promised problem from Lesson 5, Chapter 7, number 34. We are given a triangle GRN, and they're telling us that RA equals GD. Right here. RA equals GD, and they're telling us that DA is parallel to GR. This is actually a really simple proof. We are supposed to prove that GRN is an isosceles triangle. So let's talk this through before we do a proof. What we can see here is, if you notice, the figure GRAD is a quadrilateral and it's an isosceles trapezoid. We know that because at least one side are parallel and the sides are equal. Not in my diagram, but it's marked they're equal. So because we know it's an isosceles trapezoid, we know that the base angles are equal. And because the base angles are equal in a triangle, then we know the sides opposite them are equal, so we know that GN, right here, GN is going to be equal to RN. Whoops. See that better. RN. I can't seem to draw this line. Let's try it again. And because the sides are equal, we know it's an isosceles triangle. So let's type this up real quick. You get the picture, I'm sure, but let's take this up here. The first thing we have is, we'll just leave it green. We'll just use that for triangle. Triangle GRN with DA parallel to GR. And that is given. Because we have a triangle, because we have DA is parallel to GR, well, let's just do the next given too. RA is equal to GD. Could have done that in one step. Now we can see we have exactly one set of parallel lines in a quadrilateral, and the opposite sides are equal, so that we can say quadrilateral GRAD is an isosceles trap. And the reason for that is isosceles. I'm kind of combining. You could have put this in two steps. You could have said that it's a trapezoid, and then you could have said it's an isosceles trapezoid. So we're just going to say an isosceles trapezoid has two we're just going to say exactly two parallel sides, and the legs are equal. Next thing we can say, since we have that, we know that angle G, we can say angle G is equal to angle R. And we know that because the base angles of isosceles traps are equal. Then we can say Rn equals Gn, and that sides opposite equal angles are equal. And finally, the last step, we would say triangle GRN is isosceles. And the reason for this is isosceles triangles have two equal sides. And that's proof for lesson 34. If you listened the whole way through this and actually clicked on this and listened, you can email me, tell me you listened to number 34, and I'll give you 2 points of extra credit. Kind of like a hidden extra credit. So that's it. I'll put the new video up tonight for tomorrow.